Alright guys, welcome back to the Columbus RV Show. We're going to go through a Winnebago ECHO. I love this rig actually. I would prefer it on the Mercedes chassis, but all they have here is a Ford. But let's go check this thing out. It is on the 350 HD, all-wheel drive, EcoBoost engine. Nice storage below. These use the acrylic windows, which I like a lot. See how far they open? You can open them up pretty far. Let's see what we got here. All right, that's your propane. 2 20-pound propane tanks, very nice. This is what everybody wants this for, is this garage basement storage. It has MOLLE panels, as you can see back here on the door. 3 entry points, 1, 2, and where I'm standing. And you have tracks above, if you can see that, on both sides. And you've got all these guys here that you can stick up in there, and you can hang stuff, you can store stuff, helmets, bikes. And we could get all 4 of our bicycles in this, no problem. 2 e-bikes. Oh, and you have tracks on the floor too. I didn't even see those. So very nice. This is what everybody loves about this rig. So we are going to, I don't know the sizes of this rig yet, as far as, well, here we go. $50 gallons of fresh water on this is amazing. On something this size, you never see that.
Yeah.
And if you notice, there's no black tank because you have a cassette toilet. All right, so down the other side, we have storage. Actually, that's a generator. Oh no, those are the lithium batteries. So this is at least one that I can see. I'm not sure if there's one behind it. So very nice lithium battery. So no generator. So this is an all electric coach. Very minimal storage outside though. Here. So all the storage though is in the back. But here's your water. That's your cassette. It's locked. It's locked. So that's where your cassette is. This right here is for your gray tank drain. You've got a Nautilus P4, which is actually what we have in our Tandera. Looks like a water fill. Very nice. Very nicely done. Okay, let's head to the inside and check this baby out. Okay, so if you're a big guy like me, you might be afraid of this one. So let's check it out and see what we got. Okay, I can stand up, no problem. Love this Max Air fan. We've got a nice chassis here with the Ford EcoBoost, Ford 350. I've heard the clearance on these isn't great, but it comes standard with this table. 2 chairs here. And then we've got a lagoon table as well. We've got a sink on the side here and maybe a 2-burner. Yep, 2-burner stove.
Hopefully the rain or sleet or
here's your sink. It's not very deep, but I think it's functional. Very nice. Let's check out the cabinetry above.
Any questions on it?
Good storage there. And right as you walk in, you've got your inverter, solar charge controller, and I'm sure this is a panel to do lights and all the above. You can see below we got 2 drawers. Drawer. And then under sink storage. Not a problem there. On this side, a little bit of room. For food storage maybe. Actually a decent size fridge for this. I don't think it's a Norcold, and it probably is a 12 volt because we have all that power, and this would be your fold down. We're not level. Room for a freezer. Very good. And then back here you have twin beds that can turn into one big king, but this comes up. There's storage underneath, and you also have a drawer. Same here, a drawer. And more storage. Very nice. You got storage over top. Now I'm on the first step. As you see, my head is already hitting on the first step, so I got to duck to get up here for this storage. Place for a CPAP to come through, and all the plugs, and then more storage here. Very nice. This is your hot water heater. And we'll turn it on here. This is your temperature thermometer. Now, what makes this unique is it's really, you think it's a wet bath, right? The toilet, everything's right here. It's a wet bath. You got storage here. But what's unique, you want to take a shower, you can take this, turn it, grab this door, and close off that toilet side. Now you have actually a dry bath. Now let's see how I fit in here. It's not hateful, it's not great, but it's not hateful. You got this curtain comes around, keep the water out. And then right behind me, of course, is the shower. So I'll tell you what, that is super innovative. Super innovative. And then there's your sink when you just want a toilet. And of course, this spins around again to give you room. Very nice. And you still have, you can have a window open. So even up front, there's a TV up here and storage. More storage here.
Like I said, I'll send you the
and then storage above.
links to the trailers.
So
Yeah, send me that.
I don't know how you feel about this
And,
rig, but
Yeah,
I like this if you want to be nimble and small.
The used one would be
I prefer
more
the
affordable.
the Sprinter Echo.
Not
But you know what? This is at the Columbus RV Show.
It's nice.
Happy glamping.
Once again, it has the upgrades.